News Channel 7. Time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, we've got that combination out there. We've got the clouds and the sunshine, quite a bit of sunshine for this afternoon. So things are looking out very well for this evening, of course. And again, not to bring it up, but after the weekend, we've got a later sunset. 51 degrees is our high so far today. Temperatures, like for instance, Ontario had a 57 for today. I expect the high in Boise to be closer to that 57 or 54 like Caldwell had for today. So there are a few places to the west that could come close to 60 degrees. Twin Falls with 45 degrees, mountain locations basically in the 40s. And if you're going to be outside tonight, this is what it looks like. At 7 o'clock tonight, 50 degrees. It will be down to 44 at 9. Gets pretty chilly right along in here, as you would expect. And then very chilly when you take off to work for early tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. Temperature will be down around freezing. I'm going to expect a low temperature tonight down to 31 degrees. Well, asked, now let me answer, is it going to be nicer tomorrow? Well, first of all, if you look here to the west, you see these temperatures are a little bit warmer over in Portland. Same thing with Bend. Some of those temperatures nearly 60 degrees. You compare that to the 51 in Boise. And essentially that weather is starting to push in. And with that air coming in, it's going to cause some breezes again. But winds will be about 5 to 15 miles an hour, so we will be dealing with a little wind chill. Here's how it looks. Twin Falls, partly cloudy and 51. Gooding at 51, Shoshone with 48 degrees. Sun Valley tomorrow at 40. Now, some spots there to the northern portions could see a little snow in some of the higher elevations and a little rain snow mix in the valley, but not really much to make much of a difference. McCall will be up to 41 degrees. Cascade at 43. Council gets pretty close to 50 degrees tomorrow. Here in the valley, speaking of 50, some of these spots are pretty close to 60 degrees. And they're coming up, and they're going to do it on Friday and Saturday. So if you missed those few 60-degree readings that we've had, they're coming back. 56 degrees for Boise, Meridian tomorrow at 57 degrees, and Mountain Home at 53 degrees. So I think you will notice a little bit of a change in this. Now, I showed you the satellite picture just a while ago, and on that, a storm system out to the west that was breaking up. As that comes in, I don't think that's going to be a big push of a lot of moisture, but it has the possibility, the way it reacts to the mountains, to get at least a couple of inches of snow in McCall. Recent, what I see there is 1 to 3 inches of snow, 1.5 to 2 inches for Stanley, and possibly as much as a half an inch for Haley. Sunday morning may have a little rain snow mix. That's why it's there on the chart. So when you look at the 7-day forecast, look how these temperatures come up into the weekend. Saturday, 62. So that storm produces a shower late Saturday night and early Sunday. Maybe a little rain snow mix. 9:32 will be the beginning of spring. And then watch this, Tuesday, 64, Wednesday, 68. I give you more on this. Here's the 10-day temperature trend. Look at next week. Whoop, whoa, look at that. The record for that day is 73. We'll talk more about that tonight at 10 and what we're expecting with some of those warmer temperatures coming our way for next week.
Wow, really warm.
Yeah, I'm just glad we got the rain that we really desperately needed, Rick.
We need more. And I'll even show you why, how much more we actually need before this month ends.